Hi everyone, it's Mrs. DIY here, and today we're going to be exploring 3 must-have accessories for my Tesla Model 3, along with an added bonus. The first accessory is an air pump. It's a vital tool for any Tesla owner. This air pump proved indispensable when I experienced a flat tire. It's small and has a built-in battery. It can inflate tires on the spot in minutes. It has 3 profiles if you have multiple cars or bikes. As you know, the Tesla Model 3 doesn't come with a spare tire, making this air pump an essential tool. It's not just for flat tires. It can also be used for regular tire maintenance and better fuel efficiency. I like that I don't need to run any wires for power. It's very portable, and for Tesla, once a tire goes below 30 psi, all kinds of warnings start flashing on the screen. However, I really needed this air pump when I had a nail in a tire earlier. The air pump allowed me to inflate the tire just enough to drive home safely, and then I was able to call a tow truck rather than being stranded outside for hours waiting for one. Next are the shades. These shades are designed specifically for the Model 3. They clip in place and are very easy to install and remove. They come in 2 pieces for the front and the back. They are a very effective solution at keeping the car cool. They brought down the interior temperature by about 10 degrees. I definitely felt it. These shades reduce the need for the auto AC cabin cooling protection, which saves energy and money. While the color might not be an exact match, they serve their purpose. They fit very well, and they can be folded away during the winter. I'm able to install them and remove them in a couple of minutes. These shades provide sun protection, they keep the steering wheel cool, especially if you got the metal wheels, and I also feel that they protect the seats. They also add privacy and help with the glare, and if I want to enjoy the sunny skies, I can easily remove them and put them back in the storage bag. The third accessory is these all-weather mats. It's a necessity for those living in regions with snowy winter condition. I believe that some model cars don't come with mats at all. These mats have high sidewalls and they don't emit an unpleasant rubbery smell. I don't know what they are made of, but it's definitely not rubber. These mats are very easy to clean and provide great protection for the vehicle's interior. They are not just for the winter. I use them all year long. And as a bonus accessory, I'd like to highlight the importance of having a second mobile charger. Keeping a charger at home minimizes wear and tear on the electric socket and plug. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the charging experience. I feel more at ease when I know that I have a spare charger in the car at all times. So, to sum it up, these accessories have proven to be valuable additions to my Tesla Model 3. Who wouldn't want a portable air pump to take with them at all times? Or some shades that will keep your cabin nice and cool? Or easy to clean mats? I think everybody would like those. As usual, the links are available in the description if you're interested in trying them out. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to add them to the chat. Thanks for watching. Bye!